Hi, everyone. In this video, you will learn 4 useful methods to fix the OBS not recording audio issue. Method 1. Check the OBS audio settings. Launch OBS. Click Settings. Go to the Audio tab. Set Desktop Audio and Mic Auxiliary Audio to default. Click Apply, OK. Then check to see if this issue has been fixed. Method 2. Set the speakers as the default audio device. Open Sound Settings. Click Sound Control Panel. In the Playback tab, make sure that the speakers is set to default. Method 3. Disable Audio Enhancement. Open Sound Settings. Click Sound Control Panel. Select Speakers and click Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab and tick the box Disable All Sound Effects. Method 4. Use MiniTool Video Converter. Launch MiniTool Video Converter. Open the Screen Recording tool. Disable the microphone or the system audio as required. Click Record. To stop recording, press the F6 key. Right-click the recording and preview it. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.